Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make chicken chashu. The merit of this chashu is that we can make and eat it within 1 to 2 hours. And the texture is very soft and juicy. And I'll introduce 2 recipes of chicken chashu with sake and mirin and without sake and mirin. I wish many people will try and enjoy delicious chicken chashu. Yes, let's make it. These are 2 pieces of chicken thigh. At first, I trim off the skin and fat off. Careful preparation is important to make delicious chicken chashu. I take the foot and cut it off using the tip of the knife. Then I open the chicken thigh to flatten it. I enter the knife from the thick part and make the thickness of it even and thin. I turn it and do the same thing. Cut it carefully, not to separate. Okay, I prepared 2 pieces of chicken. Then I put the salt to the mid side, about 2 grams. Okay, spread the salt entirely. Good. Let's roll the chicken. Please do it from smaller chicken. If you cut off the chicken, you roll it from it. This chicken will be inside part. The tip is rolled tightly. And place it on the bigger chicken. Roll it again. This helps to make the chicken chashu much juicier and more delicious, because the chicken is cooked gradually and keeps the fat and moisture. Nice. Then I use the chicken string to maintain the shape of the chicken. At first, I place the strings below the chicken and tie it tightly. This first step is very important. Okay, then I make a circle like this and let the chicken enter the circle. Okay, the strings comes here and pull it tightly. Good. After that, I repeat this work. The tip is to tie the strings tightly every time. Nice. I roll the string vertically as well. Before rolling the string, I cut it. Then I roll the string 3 times around the chicken. Finally, I tie it. Okay, and cut it. I prepared the chicken. If this way is complex, you can just roll the string around the chicken. It is okay to maintain the shape of the chicken. And please give a moment, my goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Next, I'll prepare sauce ingredients. This is sauce recipe. And if you don't have mirin and sake, please try to use ginger ale. I use garlic from Aomori Prefecture, ginger from Kochi Prefecture, and Japanese leek from Saitama Prefecture. Nice. I combine the liquid ingredient first to do next work efficiently. Okay. Let's grill the chicken. I add the oil and spread it. Once the pan is warm, put the chicken. I cook the chicken for 10 minutes over medium-high heat until the chicken is browned entirely. I rotate the chicken to brown all faces. Good. Browning the chicken adds a nice roasted flavor and keeps the fat and moisture in the chicken. It takes time to cook it fully, so please cook it for 10 minutes over medium heat. Almost. The look is already delicious. 10 minutes later, the chicken is nice browned. I turn off the heat and remove the chicken. I let the pan cool just one moment. Then I add the sauce ingredients. Ginger, Japanese leek, and garlic. If you try ginger ale version, it is same. And turn on the heat. I started to melt the sugar. Once the sugar melted, I return the chicken to the pan and pour the sauce over the chicken again and again. I cook the chicken from the bottom and above. Sometimes I rotate the chicken and pour the sauce. The level of fire is medium. The sauce reduces and becomes rich and shiny. Almost. At last, I turn the heat to low. I coat the chicken with this rich sauce. The sauce became beautiful amber color. Okay, I turn off the heat. Perfect. I rest the chashu for about 5 minutes. If you'd like to slice it thinly, please keep it in the fridge overnight. 5 minutes later, I cut the strings with scissors. Okay, let's cut it. Looks perfect. It is extremely juicy and moisture. Beautiful. I recommend to cut it into 6 slices. Finally, I arrange it on the plate. Lovely. Chicken chashu is done. I recommend to eat it as is. With salad, with sticky rice are also good. いただきます。Chashu is a very soft and moisture. It is good to add the remaining sauce on it. This chicken chashu is amazing. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced one of my favorite chicken recipe. I hope you enjoy delicious and juicy chicken chashu. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.